Hey there, superstars! Welcome to 4Kids Preschool channel, the place where fun meets learning. Here you can learn awesome things like cool origami, fun drawing, silly games, alphabets and phonics, numbers and counting, magical stories, and so much more. So hit that subscribe button, grab your crayons, and let's learn having a blast. Let the fun begin. Let's learn phonics level 4. A vowel team. Let's learn about the vowel teams. A vowel team is when two vowels appear together but it makes only one sound. For example, we have the vowel A, I. When together they make the A sound, as in rain. Next, we have the vowels E and A together. They make the sound E, as in team. We have the vowel O and A together. They make the sound O, as in boat. When E and E come together, they make the E sound, as in tree. When I and E come together, they make the I sound, as in pie. Most of these sounds are made using the first letter in this team. Let's see the examples. Level 1 vowel teams. We have A and I together as A sound, E and E together as an E sound, O and A together as an O sound. Here are a few examples. For A, we have rain, tail, nail. For E, we have tree, feet, seed. For O, we have boat, coat, goat. Here are a few sentence examples for the A sound. Read with me. The rain fell on the roof. The rain fell on the roof. The dog has a long tail. The dog has a long tail. Feel free to pause the video to practice these sentences. Let's practice the E sounds. The tree is tall. Repeat after me. The tree is tall. Wash your feet before bed. Wash your feet before bed. Pause this video to practice the other sentences. Let's practice the O sound words. We sailed in a boat. We sailed in a boat. He wore a red coat. He wore a red coat. Pause this video to practice the other sentences. Level 2. Here we have the vowels E and A together to make the A sound, I and E together to make the I sound, U and E together to make the U sound. Here are an example. For E sounds, we have eat, see, beat. For I sound, we have pie, tie, lie. For U sound, we have blue, glue, queue. Let's see them in detail. For the E sound, here are a few sentence examples. Repeat after me. I like to eat toast. I like to eat toast. We swam in the sea. We swam in the sea. Pause the video to practice now. I. Repeat after me. The pie smells good. The pie smells good. Repeat after me. Dad wore a blue tie. Dad wore a blue tie. Pause this video to practice the other sentences. For the U sound, repeat after me. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Use glue to stick it. Use glue to stick it. Pause the video to practice. Level 3. In this level, the vowel teams are OU together gives the O sound. OW together gives the O sound. EI or EY gives the sound E. For the U sound, we have soup, group. For O sound, the examples are snow and grow. For E sound, we have ceiling, key, they. Let's see in detail. For the U sound, these are the sentence examples. Repeat after me. I had hot soup for lunch. I had hot soup for lunch. Our group won the race. Our group won the race. Pause the video to practice. Oh, it will snow tonight. It will snow tonight. Plants grow in the sun. Plants grow in the sun. Pause the video to practice. E. The ball hit the ceiling. The ball hit the ceiling. She lost her key. She lost her key. Pause the video to practice. Well done, children. Thank you for watching this video. Come back more to learn many other levels in phonics. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe, press the like button, comment and share it with your friends.